Hello everyone. I'm Dr. Ramachandra CG, professor at Presidency University, Bengaluru. I have put together total 20 years of experience in the field of mechanical engineering with a strong focus on academic and training, research and development, and academic administration with BE, MTech, PhD, and postdoc qualification. I hold a Guinness World Record for the thickest book in the world, which is 5.8 meters and having 100 pages, which I have contributed as an author for the book entitled World 2023. I have received 8 patents. I have received 19 academic excellence awards from the various national and international professional bodies. I have written 28 books in various subject areas and have published 36 book chapters in reputed publishers and have published 133 papers in reputed international journals as well as presented 124 papers in international conferences and have delivered many technical talks and keynote addresses in international and national conferences and faculty development programs. And I'm pleased to inform or share that I will be speaking at the 15th International Conference on Recent Challenges in Engineering and Technology. That is themed on engineering for a challenging world, creating sustainable solutions for the future, which is scheduled to be held on 22nd and 23rd April 2026 at Bengaluru, India, which is organized by IFERP in association with academic partner Primus School of Management Studies, India. At 15th, the international conference, I will be delivering my keynote address on the topic Impact of Industry 4.0 on industries, where I'll be discussing key aspects such as how Industry 4.0 is transforming industries from traditional manufacturing to intelligent, connected, and sustainable systems, enabling higher productivity, flexibility, and global competitiveness. I will also be sharing insights from our ongoing work in interdisciplinary research. I warmly invite all students, academicians, practitioners, research scholars, scientists, and delegates to join this timely and relevant international gathering. It will be an excellent platform to connect, interact, exchange ideas, and share research knowledge. Looking forward to seeing you all at IBIS Bengaluru Hebbal